What's up guys, I got a 10-point crossbow, really powerful S440. We're gonna film it in slow motion, maybe pop some balloons with that, see how it will do, what kind of effect we get in slow motion, the vibration and the arrow flying out. It's very powerful, so I really want to see what it happens when you film it at like 1000-2000 frames per second. Okay guys, let's load it up. Safety off. Safety #1 priority. I'm gonna shoot a little bit sideways so that way we can see it on the camera. I know it's not proper, but I want to see that in slow motion. So alright, so we'll check it out at 1000 frames per second. If it's not slow enough, we'll slow it down more. So little reaction to the video. See slow motion. Whoa, I did not see anything. It went too fast. You know what? We probably could film it at 5000 frames per second because it just flew so fast. Incredible. It's just such a good crossbow. So let's do it again at 5000 frames per second, similar shots. And then after we get that, we'll film a slow motion, popping balloons and stuff. So you know what? Let's start to film it at 10,000 frames per second. This $2,000 crossbow. I still have a tag on it. 2,100. It's probably costs more now because I bought it a long time ago. Okay, again we're gonna level it to the camera so we can see it. With a little sideways shot. It's funny. Oh, safety off. Okay, let's see what it looks like in slow motion. Wow, that is super cool. Not too much balance at all, but that string looks like a liquid. Let's reverse it and look at it again. Wow, I can't believe all of that happening, and almost nothing moves except the string. That is epic. I was surprised to see that. I thought it would be a lot more balance on the wings or flaps, whatever you call them. It's just a little bit. It's amazing. That's an awesome crossbow. Okay, and I'm curious, is it gonna stop an arrow? And at the same time, I want to see it in slow motion, all these things popping. Okay guys, it's gonna get wet a little bit. See what happens. Okay. Whoa, safety off. I can't really aim over here, but there you go. What just happened? We only went through of them, few of them, that's it. Where did the arrow go? That's why we filmed it in slow motion. But for what we know, we still have most balloons didn't pop, not even half through. I would say maybe 10 of them. I see a lot of pop balloons, but I guess we can count how many balloons it went through before it deflected it after we see it in slow motion. Okay, well, looks like I went a little bit too high. That's what happened, but that looks beautiful. You know what, since we have some balloons out here, let's pop the rest of them at 20,000 frames per second and see how it's going to look like. Okay guys, this time 22,000 frames per second. Let's see how it does. Safety off. Okay, ready, set. Wow, went through all of them this time. I may aim a little bit better. Okay, let's look at this in slow motion. Quickly a reaction. Wow, that's way better. That's nice. Okay, looks like it pushed up, go to the top and kind of miss the bottom balloons. So it kind of does slow down the balloons. We'll have to have a lot of balloons for it to stop this powerful crossbow. But it looks beautiful. So yeah, water balloons probably not gonna stop a crossbow unless you have really a lot of them. Wow, that looks beautiful though. Anyways, thank you for watching. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this crossbow, and I'll see you next time.